Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to discuss marking scheme of ICSE Technical Drawing Paper, Technical Drawing Application Paper 2022. So in this I will explain you how many questions are there and how to appear for that paper in terms of time management. So we'll have section A and section B. It is for 50 marks. So in section A you will have 3 questions. In section B you will have 3 questions. This is according to sample paper. So you have to attempt any 2 out of 3. Here also 2 out of 3. So you have a choice. If you see marks wise, section A is 10 marks each. So you will have 3 questions of 10 marks each. And in section B you will have 15 marks. Now in first question you will be asked projection of solids. So you need to see the portion and according to that you need to do that. And then you have auxiliary views. Auxiliary views of solids. In this they will give you the diagram. Right? Figure will be given to you. And the third question would be oblique views. So what you need to do, out of this 3 you have to do any 2 in the board exam. Here you will have sectional orthography. Now here there are 2 types, so that we need to discuss. See, they will give you a 3D object and then they'll ask you to draw section. So this is the question and this is the answer. Or they'll give you 2 views in orthographic only, like this. And then they will ask you to do section. See this, the cutting plane will be given. In this also we need to draw, right? This will be like this, where you just copy 2 views and you do hatching part. So you'll have either this or this, we don't know. So prepare both if you are doing this topic. Then we have copy ISO and isometric view. So again in this, either they will ask you copy ISO or they'll ask you isometric view. So copy ISO, they will give you 3D figure. And you need to copy that figure as it is. And the second type, isometric view, they'll give you 2 views and you have to draw 3D figure. This is question. In this is question, this is answer. In this, answer would be this way, but we have to refer to 2D diagram. So this is isometric view and the earlier one is copy isometric. And the last one is section of solids. Now in this, they will ask you to do TSS, development. Generally they will give you front view, top view. So it will be like this. See, section of solids, they'll give you 2 views. So you need to copy 2 views as it is with the cut plane. So they'll say draw front view, top view, side view. Draw front view, sectional top view, sectional side view. So how will you draw? You will draw those 2 views again, hatching, and you will draw side view with the hatch portion. So this is done. Or they'll ask you draw front view, top view and TSS. Draw front view. Actually it should be sectional top view. Okay, so it's like this. So what you need to do, you need to draw front view and a sectional top view, and you need to draw TSS. Got it? Or they'll give you draw front view, top view and development. So remember one thing, front view, top view will be common in all the sums. In this, we'll draw development, cut portion, right? We'll mark all these points, and this will be hatched. So there are 3 types. Out of these 3, any one can come. Now if you see, time is how much? 90 minutes. You have 1.5 hour paper. Maximum marks 50. So 50 marks, 90 minutes. So maximum time you can devote to any sum. I'm just repeating, maximum time, not marks. Maximum time you should devote to any sum is marks multiplied by 2. That is maximum time you should devote to any sum. I'll explain what I mean by maximum. See this. So in your paper you have section A and section B. Section A you'll have marks 10 marks, 10 marks, 10 marks, 3 questions. Out of 3 you have to do 2. And in section B you have 1, 2, 3 questions, 15, 15, 15. Again you have to do 2 out of 3. Now you can devote maximum 20 minutes. So this is what I am trying to say, that for these questions you can devote 30 minutes. So maximum you can devote, right, 30 minutes for section B, 20 minutes for section A. So if you calculate, it will become 100 minutes. And we have how many minutes? 90 minutes. So 10 minutes are less. So if you can try, so you will save 10 minutes in section A. How? Instead of attempting this in 20 minutes, you try and attempt this in 15 minutes. So you'll be able to save 10 minutes like this. So then it will be proper 90 minutes. This is just my assumption. I'm assuming that you can attempt section A question in less than 20 minutes. And then section B you can give 30 minutes. So my idea was, you should not give more than marks multiplied by 2, that much time to any sum if you want to complete your TD paper. So just keep this in mind. Thumb rule. Maximum time you will give only for section B, any sum, will be 30 minutes. Not more than that. And section A you will try and complete in 15 minutes. All the best. I hope you people have understood my concept, my idea behind this. Thank you.